Sabi ko na memories ko naman ng memories ko ngayon. Kasi Friday na guys. Kailangan mo ngayon sa ito. John chapter 14 verses 16 to 17. I will ask the Father, and He will give you another helper to be with you forever. The helper is the Spirit of truth. Number verse. John chapter 14 verse 26. But the helper will teach you everything and cause you to remember all that I told you. This helper is the Holy Spirit that the Father will send in my name. Ayun guys, kaya tinatakpan ko kasi maaga yung ilaw kasi tumatawa. Ayan sa mata ko. Kaya tinatakpan ko. Sorry kasi minsan nalilito ako. Bye!